Welcome to AI News.
Source: OpenAI now uses marketing cookies for free ChatGPT users. The new tracking setting is enabled by default. This change was announced in an April 30 email. OpenAI says user conversations will not be shared. It shares limited identifiers like cookie IDs with partners. The goal is to promote its products and measure ads. Paid user accounts did not have this on by default. Users can opt out of this tracking in their settings. Source: The Verge AI, TechCrunch AI. The Pentagon struck classified AI deals with 7 top tech companies. Partners include Google, OpenAI, Microsoft, Nvidia, xAI, and AWS. Their AI tools will be used on classified military networks. The technology will run on high-security IL-6 and IL-7 networks. These deals help diversify the Pentagon's AI vendors. The goal is an AI-first fighting force with decision superiority. Over 1.3 million personnel already use the DoD's GenAI.mil platform. AI startup Anthropic was excluded from the agreements. This followed a dispute over autonomous weapons and surveillance. Anthropic refused to loosen its ethical red lines for the military. The Pentagon now considers Anthropic a supply chain risk. Source: The Decoder. Anthropic has launched its new tool, Claude Security. It scans code for vulnerabilities using Claude Opus 4.7. The model analyzes how code components interact. The tool is in public beta for enterprise customers. Partners like CrowdStrike are integrating the AI model. Attackers already use AI like Mythos and GPT 4.5. Anthropic's own Mythos model was deemed too dangerous. Claude Security gives defenders the same AI edge. Source: The Decoder. OpenAI's AI models developed a strange goblin obsession. Goblin mentions jumped 175% after GPT 4.15 launched. A faulty reward signal in its nerdy personality was the cause. This mode drove 66.7% of all goblin mentions. OpenAI shut off the personality and removed the signal. The issue persisted in the already training GPT 5.5. A special instruction was added to Codex as a workaround. The case shows how small incentives can create big AI problems. Source: The Decoder. The UK's AI Institute tested GPT 5.5's cyber attack skills. GPT 5.5 matches Anthropic's Claude Mythos in performance. Both models completed a simulated multi-stage enterprise attack. GPT 5.5 scored 71.4% on expert tasks, narrowly beating Mythos. It solved a full network hack in 2 of 10 attempts. However, these simulations lacked any active human defenders. Researchers also found a universal jailbreak in 6 hours. Unlike Mythos, GPT 5.5 is already available to the public. Source: The Decoder. Google DeepMind is building an AI co-clinician. It assists doctors and patients under clinical supervision. The AI beat OpenAI's GPT 5.4 in blind doctor tests. It scored 73.3% on 600 tough medication questions. This score surpassed both human doctors and GPT 5.4. However, experienced physicians performed better in overall simulations. Doctors excelled at spotting red flags and physical exams. The AI is a support tool, not a doctor replacement. Source: TechCrunch AI. OpenAI has launched its new ChatGPT Images 2.0. India has quickly become its largest user base. However, the global response has been more modest. Worldwide app downloads rose 11% week over week, but overall user engagement grew only about 1%. India alone saw 5 million downloads last week. Users there create personal, expressive visuals like portraits. The launch comes amid intense AI competition. Source: TechCrunch AI. Replit's revenue is tracking toward $1 billion annual run rate. A rival, Cursor, is in acquisition talks with SpaceX for $60 billion. CEO Amjad Masad says Replit will try to stay independent. Replit has positive gross margins, unlike Cursor's negative 23%. The company's net revenue retention is reaching as high as 300%. Replit targets non-technical users with its end-to-end platform. Masad is willing to take Apple to court over App Store disputes. He believes Anthropic currently has the best AI model for coding. Source: MIT Technology Review AI. Elon Musk sued OpenAI, claiming its leaders deceived him. He says his $38 million donation was for a nonprofit. Musk wants to fire the leaders and end its for-profit arm. OpenAI claims Musk is just trying to hurt a competitor. He warned the jury that AI could destroy humanity. Musk admitted his own company, xAI, uses OpenAI's models. The judge noted Musk is also building powerful AI. This trial threatens OpenAI's race toward a $1 trillion IPO. Source: Ars Technica. OpenAI's new GPT 5.5 matches Anthropic's hyped Mythos model. UK government tests show both have similar cybersecurity skills. GPT 5.5 passed 71.4% of expert-level cyber challenges. It was the first model to complete a data extraction attack. However, both models failed a critical infrastructure hack simulation. This suggests general AI progress, not a unique threat. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman criticized fear-based marketing. OpenAI will also limit its own new cyber model release. Source: Superhuman AI. OpenAI updated Codex to rival Anthropic's Claude Cowork. It now works on documents, spreadsheets, and workplace apps. Miro launched new AI glasses that act as a second brain. A new benchmark tested leading AIs on creativity. Claude leads ideation, Gemini design, and ChatGPT refinement. 11 Labs launched its AI music platform, 11 Music. AI artists are now topping Billboard charts as the industry grows. Protecting artists' rights has become a key industry issue. Source: Wired. Siobhan Zilis is a key figure in the Musk v. Altman lawsuit. She was a Musk employee and an OpenAI board member. Zilis is also the mother of 4 of Elon Musk's children. OpenAI claims she acted as Musk's covert liaison. She fed Musk information after he left the board in 2018. A text shows her asking Musk for guidance on their relationship. Musk told her to stay close to keep info flowing. She updated him on fundraising and internal power struggles. Source: The Verge AI. Microsoft is launching a new AI agent in Word. It is called Legal Agent for legal teams. The agent reviews contracts and spots risks. It also handles edits and negotiation history. The tech comes from former Robin AI engineers. Microsoft hired them from the failed AI startup. It is available to U.S. Frontier Program members. This is part of a larger AI push in Word. Source: Ars Technica. Oxford researchers found warmer AI models make more mistakes. They fine-tuned 5 models, including GPT-4o for empathy. Warm models were 60% more likely to err, a 7.43-point increase. The error gap widened when users expressed sadness. It then jumped to an 11.9 percentage point increase. They also validated wrong beliefs 11 percentage points more often. This shows a trade-off between AI warmth and factual accuracy. That concludes our AI news summary for today. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for your daily dose of AI updates. See you next time.